Our Collision 2018 coverage is proudly powered by Amazon Prime. Find out all the ways you can benefit from a Prime subscription and get a 30-day free trial by going to collision.live/prime and by audiobooks.com. Get a free 30-day trial and a book to keep by going to collision.live/audiobooks using promo code TRY70. So, we have our next guest here. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Fantastic. How about yourself?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking.
Go ahead and introduce yourself for us.
Hello, everyone. I am Fernando Fortini. I'm the CEO and co-founder of takeabed.
Okay. And what is takeabed?
So, takeabed is the Uber of travel.
Okay.
We are turning people into travel agents.
People into travel agents.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
And how?
So it's not Airbnb where you're turning them into a hotel. You're turning them into a travel agent.
Correct. So just as Uber turned regular people into private drivers, or Airbnb turned regular people into hosts, takeabed is turning people into travel agents.
Okay. How does that happen?
Yeah.
So it's as easy as getting our app from the Apple Store. You create an account with us, and you are ready to sell hotels to your friends, family, or whoever, and get up to 30% commission on every booking.
Ooh.
Yeah, it is a real side hustle, real money.
Okay.
So you're encouraging people to make recommendations and stuff.
Correct.
By offering a reward. In a sense.
It's more than a reward.
Yeah.
I mean, we have two versions. We have the free version and the pro version.
Okay.
The free version is up to 10% commission, and the pro version that is under a subscription model is up to 30%. And thanks to our exclusive partnerships, we have these special deals where you have 30% commission, and you are competitive against any competitor or any online travel agency.
Okay. So that 30% isn't getting hit into the price.
No.
So that when you go search somewhere else.
And that's not all. Agents can actually manage their commission to match the client needs. So if you tell me, hey, Fernando, I'm going to New York, but I found this hotel a little bit more cheaper in this webpage. I'm as an agent, can I decrease my commission from 30 maybe to 15, beat the competition and keep the sale?
Okay.
And going back to your question, yes, we are also recapping this personalization that was lost with the online travel agencies. I remember myself as a kid going to the traditional travel agency.
Right.
There was the owner there and say, hey, I travel across the whole world. This is my recommendation on this because of this, this, and this.
Okay.
Imagine right now buying a hotel from your best friend that really knows you, knows your preferences. Not just selling you, conveying you its own experiences based on your own preferences. How cool is that?
Yeah.
That is
awesome.
What
a better idea.
Because they know you. Sometimes your friends know you better than you know you.
And to be honest, you are still going to this webpage with reviews and everything, for sure. But the weight of your friend that knows you in your purchase decision is actually higher. And
for sure. When somebody has given a personal recommendation, that's always better. But when it's somebody that you know and trust, that's
correct.
Almost a guarantee, unless you go and read a review and everything's 1 star, and you're like, all right, you're not allowed to make recommendations. But we've all got that one friend.
Yep. That want to just sell, I know that, yeah. But also the application has reviews from outsourced parties, so you can still trust these reviews, for example. And that's not all.
Okay.
Suppose that
there's more.
Yes. So there's more. That was funny. So pretty much if you're face-to-face with your friend, you can do a direct selling. But suppose that this friend is in another city. So we have 2 apps, one for the agent and one that is called takeabed for the traveler.
Okay.
So you will tell your friend, hey, get the takeabed app, and he will share with you his ID. And then you share the content from your app to his mobile, whatever he is, he will pay from his own mobile with his own credit cards, and the commission goes to you.
Okay.
So you can sell remotely to anyone around the globe.
Okay. So I can have a conversation with a friend who may not be here, lives in another state,
Yes.
and they're going to wherever. Vegas
Yeah,
is a
Vegas.
pretty good travel destination.
Yeah.
It's where this conference started. And they ask you, where should I stay? There's a billion hotels in
Yes.
Las Vegas. You've been there a number of times. Where should I stay? And so I can put together, as the agent, I can put together a couple of recommendations, give them the code, they see my recommendations, they can make the purchase right there. We don't have to be face-to-face.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you?
Just want to make sure I got the process
Yeah,
down.
yeah. It's like that.
Seems pretty direct.
Can it be any recommendation on any hotel, or does it have to be like a specific
No,
list?
we actually have 750,000 hotels worldwide so far.
And how?
750,000?
Yes.
Okay.
We have exclusive.
How?
Just making sure. Just making sure.
Well, I've been working in this industry for the last 10 years.
Okay.
So I do
So you
have
made a
lots
lot
of
of connections.
contact. Yeah, correct. So I do have some hotels with direct contracts that are betting on takeabed, and some other big suppliers that are betting on us as well.
Gotcha.
So yes, that's so. Going back to your question, any hotel.
Very cool.
Yeah, yeah. And if you allow me to say, we have new versions coming, and so you can be a takeabed agent, and you're starting from where you live.
Florida.
Myself too. I live in Hallandale Beach.
Tampa.
Oh, great. Anyway, okay. So you can be in Tampa, takeabed agent, and you can sell to your friends, family, and whoever. But what is coming in the next version is you can enable yourself as a local expert.
Okay.
So basically,
Nice.
people inbound to Tampa, so coming into Tampa, can contact you based on your profile and based on your on their preferences to
Uh-huh.
get local advices.
So
Awesome.
even if they don't know you.
Correct. So
Gotcha.
the system will actually
Pair you
automatically
with
match
somebody in the area.
your profile with their profile,
Okay.
and if you're
That's awesome.
with a high profile to have a good conversation with them, they will talk to you with a chat system. But all the people contacting you will already have a booking with takeabed. So it's not just talking.
Okay. So it's not just random people coming into the
Correct.
into
That
the
would be
system.
crazy.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
This is somebody who's pre-qualified. They've already made a purchase through
They
the
are
system.
already correct.
They're not afraid of the system. They're already in it.
Yes.
Got it.
Okay.
I have tons of things to talk. If you wanna, I can keep going.
We've got to make sure we keep on our schedule.
Cool. So 2 more things. The liability after the booking is on takeabed.
Okay.
So you can be
That's
an
good.
excellent seller, but if your customer runs into a problem, he got us.
Got it.
And both apps are connected to takeabed customer support service via a chat service that is integrated into the apps. So you have an issue when you arrive to the hotel, instead of calling and being 2 hours in the telephone with the whoever sell you, you're just going to be chatting with us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very cool.
24/7 customer support chat service. Yes.
Nice.
That's good.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Now, obviously, our viewers are going to be interested in this because we are. If they are, how can they find out more about the company and follow your journey?
Great. So you can go into takeabed.com and you have the option to become an agent or a traveler. That's as easy as that.
Very cool.
We are already in the Apple Store, and we are going to be launching Android in 3 weeks.
Very cool.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you so
Really
much
nice
for
to meet
talking
you.
Thank
to
you
us.
so
I appreciate your
much.
time. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Bye-bye.
Have a good one.